we're showing you visuals of that Indigo plane from Delhi with 182 people on board today that caught fire after it landed in Kathmandu airport. But thankfully, no one was hurt. We know that all passengers and crew were safely evacuated from emergency doors soon after the ground engineers observed fire from the right brake assembly of the Airbus. In fact, joining us now for more on that, my colleague Vishnu Shom. Vishnu, we're seeing first visuals of that plane. What more details can you give us?
Bunny, I'm seeing those same visuals, so I'll just run our viewers through this. This was an Indigo aircraft, an Airbus A320, which was on a flight between Delhi and Kathmandu. It landed in Kathmandu, and just a few moments back, we saw some glimpses of that fire on the right main undercarriage. Now, it was a small fire, but it was significant enough for the captain to call for the evacuation of passengers from the plane on these emergency chutes that you can see. This was the Indigo flight 6E31031 from Delhi to Kathmandu. It had 175 passengers, 1 infant and 6 crew members on board. It did make a normal landing at Kathmandu airport, but soon afterwards that fire took place, and it was put out quickly enough, but it was severe enough for ground engineers who observed the fire to tell the captain to evacuate the aircraft. Now, the people in the who were evacuated off the aircraft quickly left the airport. There is a return flight which Indigo is organizing for passengers who are trying to get on that flight on the return leg, so that will happen at some stage. Now, Indigo has an exemplary service and safety record. However, it should be said that this incident is not necessarily all that small. The fire that we saw a few glimpses of it earlier on in this footage, was not all that small. Now, it's not entirely uncommon for the brake assembly of an aircraft to overheat sometimes in the event of a landing. Smoke is sometimes seen, but for a fire to break out is perhaps a cause of concern, particularly since this was a normal landing which took place. This wasn't what is known as a hard landing or a landing where the brake system was overheated because of overuse, because of possible emergency braking. But I would say that, without getting excessively, extreme, I would say that this was not a small incident per se. It was a fairly serious incident. Fortunately, all those passengers, 175 passengers, 1 infant and 6 crew members are safe. Indigo claims that they were all evacuated off the aircraft in about 81 seconds. That again is a good sign of well-trained cabin crew on board. Their primary responsibility, like all other airlines, is to evacuate passengers in the event of an emergency. So that's what you see now on that screen is of that fire on the right-hand main undercarriage of the Airbus A320. It was put out quickly enough. Fortunately, nobody hurt. The Chief of Safety of Indigo is expected in Kathmandu this evening, and the Director General of Civil Aviation in India is well aware of what is happening.
All right, Vishnu, we'll leave it there. Thanks very much for joining us there. And as Vishnu was saying, no small incident at all there, but thankfully all passengers on board were safely evacuated. There were 182 people, and the evacuation happened in all of 81 seconds. Well, thanks very much, Vishnu, for joining us with all those details.